Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from KuCoin to your bank account. So first of all, you have to open the KuCoin application and then we can go to first trade. On trade, as you can see, you can go and click on Swana and USDT and go to USD, and right now you have to go with the pair that you have. So for example, let's say we want to turn Shiba Inu into USDT. We can go here and make sure we sell Shiba Inu. Once we sell Shiba Inu, we can go to our assets, and on our assets we can go to our main, and what we can actually do is go to trading and then transfer from trading to our main. So we are going to transfer USDT from our trading to our main, like that. Once we have some money in our main account, what we will have to do is we will have to basically convert USDT into fiat. So what we can do is go back and go to the trade here section. Then what we will have to do is we will have to go on fiat here, and then here you just have to go to sell and then click on the USDT, because you are going to be selling USDT, right? And you are basically selling USDT and you are selling it for USD, right? As you can see, you might want USD, you have other available currencies right here, you can do that as well. Now once you have that, let's say you have 100 USDT, you can go here and click done, sell your USDT, and then you will be able to basically sell it into fiat, and you will be able to basically get the fiat, and then you will have to select where you want it to go. You want it to go to TransferWise, Pioneer, PayPal, anything like that. So that's pretty much how it works. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.